the ultimate guide to creating virtual machines on AWS, Azure, and GCP. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Creating virtual machines, VMs, is fundamental for cloud computing, enabling businesses to run applications and manage workloads efficiently. This podcast will walk you through creating VMs on three major cloud platforms: Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your cloud expertise, this guide covers everything you need to start. Introduction to AWS Cloud Services. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a leading cloud service provider offering a wide range of cloud computing services, including storage, databases, analytics, and more. AWS is known for its scalability, reliability, and extensive service offerings that cater to various business needs. How to launch an EC2 instance, a step-by-step tutorial. Launching an Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, instance on AWS is straightforward. Follow these steps to get started. Sign in to AWS Management Console, navigate to the AWS Management Console and log in with your credentials. Open the EC2 dashboard. In the console, search for EC2 and open the EC2 dashboard. Launch Instance. Click on the Launch Instance button. Choose an Amazon machine image. AMI. Select an AMI that suits your needs. For example, Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Choose an instance type. Based on your requirements, select the instance type. For example, T2.micro for the free tier. Configure Instance. Configure instance details such as the number of instances, network settings, and IAM role. Add storage. Configure storage settings, including the type and size of the volume. Add tags. Add tags to organize your instances. Configure security group. Set up security group rules to control inbound and outbound traffic. Review and launch. Review your settings and click Launch. You can choose an existing key pair or create a new one for SSH access. Access your instance. Once the instance runs, you can access it via SSH using the key pair. AWS CLI, example code for creating an EC2 instance. Using the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, you can create an EC2 instance with a simple command. Here is an example. AWS E2 run instances. Image id, AMI 0 ABCDF, 12345678990. Count 1. Instance type T2.micro. Key name, my key pair. Security group ID SG0123456789, ABCADF0. Subnet, id subnet, 6E7, F829E. Introduction to Microsoft Azure Cloud Services. Microsoft Azure is another top cloud service provider known for its robust infrastructure and comprehensive suite of services. Azure supports various programming languages, tools, and frameworks, making it a versatile business choice. How to set up a virtual machine on Azure, a step-by-step tutorial. Creating a VM on Azure involves the following steps. Sign in to Azure Portal. Go to the Azure Portal and sign in with your credentials. Create a resource group. Resource groups help organize and manage resources. Click on Resource Groups and create a new one. Create a virtual machine. Navigate to Virtual Machines and click Add. Configure basics. Fill in basic details like subscription, resource group, and VM name. Choose an image. Select an image from the Azure Marketplace. For example, Ubuntu Server. Select VM size. Choose a VM size based on your workload requirements. Configure administrator account. Set up the admin username and SSH public key or password. Configure networking. Set up networking options, including virtual network, subnet, and public IP. Configure management, monitoring, and advanced settings. Configure additional settings as needed. Review and create. Review the configuration and click Create. Azure CLI example code for deploying a VM. With the Azure CLI, you can deploy a VM using the following command. As VM create. Resource group my resource group. Name my VM. Image Ubuntu LTS. Admin username Azure User. Generate SSH keys. Introduction to Google Cloud Platform. GCP Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is known for its innovative solutions and high-performance infrastructure. GCP offers a wide range of services for computing, storage, machine learning, and more. How to create a VM instance on GCP, a step-by-step tutorial. Follow these steps to create a VM instance on GCP. Sign in to Google Cloud Console. Access the Google Cloud Console and sign in with your Google account. Select a project. Choose an existing project or create a new one. Navigate to Compute Engine. Go to the Compute Engine section and click VM Instances. Create Instance. Click on Create Instance. Configure Instance. Fill in details like name, region, zone, machine type, and boot disk. Configure networking, disks, and management. Customize networking, disk options, and other settings as needed. Create. Click Create to launch your VM instance. GCP CLI example code for creating a VM instance with G-Key Cloud. You can create a VM instance using the G-Key Cloud CLI with this command. G-Key Cloud Compute Instances create my instance. Image family equals Debian 10. Image project equals Debian Cloud. Machine type equals N1 Standard 1. Zone equals US Central 1A. Conclusion. Creating virtual machines on AWS, Azure, and GCP is a crucial skill for leveraging the power of cloud computing. Each platform offers unique features and capabilities, making them suitable for various business needs. By following the step-by-step tutorials and utilizing the CLI commands provided, you can efficiently deploy and manage VMs across these major cloud platforms. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.